Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna. Hello to my new subscribers. I'm glad you're here. For today's video, I'm going to give you three tips on how to get better at drawing fast. So the first one is draw with just lines or keeping the details. So here I am drawing my left hand, for example, and it can be complex to look at, but I'm not looking at all of the details. I'm trying to skip the details. I'm just focusing in shapes and lines. So anyone can do this. I call this simplifying the subjects. You can apply this in any subject that you want, and a lot of times the more I can look at the details while I'm drawing, the more it becomes complex to me. So first I try to use lines to break down the shapes or form before I go to more complex detail of the subject. So you can try it, you will see the difference. Do not underestimate the power of lines. It is crucial to be able to transfer the drawing into paper as quickly as you can. And because I do believe that the faster you draw lines or shapes, the better the line work and quality of the drawing. So try it as many subjects as you want and give yourself time to observe the shapes and draw from there. It will take time, but as you practice, it will be a lot easier and smoother because as you practice, you gain more muscle memory and confidence. For the second tip is try drawing or sketching with a timer. By doing this, you are just really capturing the important details that you want to incorporate or include in just a short amount of time. This is a great exercise to get that hand moving, but make sure also that you have fun. So everything will get better in time. It is just a method to practice hand and eye coordination, and think of it like playing a game. By drawing quickly, it forces yourself to get mostly of the form or shapes or line or just a little bit of details, and you can practice it with the different subjects around you. And please remember to be kind to yourself. Try and you will get better. This method, you can also use your observational skills, for example, to observe the textures or just the value of the subjects that you're trying to portray or try to sketch. For the third tip is use pen or no pencil at all. For this reason, you're trying to not to focus yourself on the mistakes. So here I will give examples of mandalas that I drew before, and I highly recommend to try it drawing it freehand. It can be daunting to draw without ruler or just with hand, but the aim for this exercise is just not to discourage or to make mistakes. You can use any permanent pens or markers, and this can be annoying at times, but it is a great exercise. You can continue drawing even though you can make mistakes along the way. So this way you are more focused on the process than the outcome itself. So enjoy the process and you will realize that it's okay to make mistakes. It's part of learning and getting better in drawing, sketching, or doodling. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next topic, please comment down below or subscribe for more tips, drawing or doodling. Keep on creating and you can do it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.